Chapter 11. Measurement. Measurement of various things correctly is very important in our daily life. We need to find the length of a piece of cloth, the weight of sugar, the quantity of water a bottle can hold, time in a clock and the temperature of body. A unit is the smallest quantity of anything that can be measured. Measuring length. In the olden days, people used to measure length of something by comparing it with the length of any of their body parts like the handspan, cubit, footspan or steps. These are non-standard units of measurement. We need standard units for making correct measurements. Handspan, it is the length between the tip of the thumb and the little finger. Cubit, it is the distance from the elbow to the tip of the second finger. Footspan, it is the distance covered by one footstep. The standard unit of length is meter, m. Long lengths are measured in meter. Very long distances, like distance between two places, are measured in kilometers, km. Short lengths are measured in centimeters, cm, or millimeters, mm. The units are related to one another as follows. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. The words long and short are used for comparing lengths. A ruler, a meter rod or a measuring tape can be used to measure length. A ruler is used for measuring short lengths. Measuring mass. We purchase groceries, fruits and vegetables by the weight we want to purchase. Mass is the amount of material present in an object. Small masses are measured in milligrams, mg, and grams, g. The units are related to one another as follows. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. The words like heavy and light are used for comparing weights. The digital balance, common balance and weighing machine are some of the instruments used for weighing things. Measuring capacity. The quantity of liquid a container can hold is known as its capacity. The standard unit of capacity is liter. Liquids like shampoo, lotion and eye drops are measured in milliliter, ml. Large amount of liquids like milk and petrol are measured in liter, L. Large amount of liquids is measured in kiloliter, KL. The units are related to one another as follows. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. The words more and less are used for capacity. Measuring cylinders and measuring beakers cans are used to measure liquids. Measuring time. Time is the measure of interval between two events. We keep track of time with the help of a clock or watch. Time is measured using hours, minutes and seconds. The smallest unit of time is second. Larger periods of time are measured in hours and minutes. The units are related to one another as follows. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. There are 24 hours in one day. Measuring temperature. Temperature tells us about how cold or hot an object is. The temperature of a cup of hot tea is more than the temperature of a glass of cold water. We use a device called thermometer to measure temperature. When we use a Celsius thermometer to measure temperature, we measure it in degrees Celsius. When we use a Fahrenheit thermometer, we measure it in degree Fahrenheit. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit.